when the crescent moon rises. A sacred rhythm begins. Ramadan is not only about hunger or thirst. It is about remembrance. It is the time when the Quran was first revealed to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. A gift of guidance for all humanity. From dawn to sunset, Muslims fast, holding back desires to purify the soul. Fasting is one of the 5 pillars of Islam, but its beauty lies deeper. It teaches patience when the body longs, gratitude when the heart reflects, and compassion when we see the struggles of others. Ramadan calls believers to more than abstinence. It calls them to prayer that softens the heart, charity that uplifts the poor, kindness that heals wounds, and forgiveness that mends bonds. At the sunset, families gather, communities unite, and the fast is broken with joy. It is a reminder that sacrifice brings mercy, and mercy brings love. This is Ramadan, a journey of discipline, generosity, and light. A time when the Quran's revelation is remembered, and the beauty of Islam shines through every act of devotion.